So we're not doing anything new. We just need to be really good at this, okay? The two-step equations, and tomorrow we'll make it a little bit harder. So remember, if I'm trying to solve a two-step equation, then we need to work out the layers of solving it. First of all, if the x is what I'm after, it has been multiplied by the 2, and then the 3 has been added on the end. So to peel the layers, we do the opposite. The opposite of adding 3 is to subtract 3. Make sure you write the instructions. Make sure you show the crossing off. You do not have to circle for the layers if you don't want to. All right. Then write down what is left. 2x is on the left-hand side. 7 take away 3 makes 4. And now we're ready for the second step, the second layer, the 2. That 2 has been multiplied with the x. Is everything okay, Ferris? So the opposite of multiplying is to divide. And we do divides with a fraction line. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Cross off the 2's on the left. X is now by itself. And 4 divided by 2 gives 2. And we're done. Put a box around the answer if you like, because that makes it stand out. But remember that the working out is the very, very important part here that we're trying to learn. Stella?
Do you have to cross it out?
Yes, please. Yep. The circles are optional. If you don't want to put the circles on there, that's okay. But you must show the crossing out because... yeah, probably. Because as these equations get bigger, you're going to have more and more things in there to start moving away. And you want to see what is disappearing so that you can see what is left. Let's try the second one. I have got 10 times by g, that's my first inside layer, and then plus 1 on the outside. So doing the opposite, I want to subtract 1. Cross off. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Write down what is left. I have got 10g on the left. 101 minus 1 makes 100. Second step is to get rid of the 10. 10 is multiplied with the g, so the opposite is to divide by 10. Cancel the 10's off. G is by itself, and I divide. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay, question 3. I'm going to give you a little head start. Have a go. Put your layers on there. See if you can answer that one.
It's not that one.
It's not that one?
No, it's number 5.
Ah, you got ahead of me, have you?
Yeah.
Okay. How many people have gone ahead? A few. It's because you're so good at these now. All right, I'm going to catch up. So those are the layers. First thing you should be doing is adding 2, crossing off. You should then have 4g, 14 plus 2 is 16. Shh, Stella. And then divide the 4. So how did we go? Did everyone get h is equal to 4? No? Yes. Oh, good. Okay, let's keep going. Got to do the same thing over and over again. Question 4. We have 11 times x and then minus 2. So opposite of minus 2 is to plus 2. Get rid of the outside layer. Then we have got 11x on the left side, and 20 plus 2 makes 22. I did. Thanks. Then I need to divide by 11. Cancel the 11's off. X is by itself. 22 divided by 11 is 2. How many people are still doing the circling? Anyone still doing the circling? Couple of people? You finding it helps? Okay, I'll keep doing it then. Question 5, we have some with fractions in there. So the x divided by 2 is the inside layer, and then the plus 1 is the second layer. Peeling the outside layer, I need to subtract the 1 from both sides. That leaves x over 2, my inside layer is still there. 7 take away 1 is 6. The fraction line means divide, so the opposite is to times by 2. Cross off the 2's. X is by itself. 6 times 2 makes 12. Question 6. Can I go faster? Am I going too slow? Go faster. Go faster. Because you're so pro at this now. All right. I won't do my layers on there then. The first thing you should do is subtract the 3. So we have x over 5 equals 9 take away 3 is 6. And the second step is to multiply by 5. X equals 30. Was that too fast?
No.
No? Good. Okay, question 7. First thing to do is to add the 3. Little plus 3 underneath both the sides. Keep that equation balanced. That keeps x over 2. 7 plus, oh, so the answer, 4 plus 3 makes 7. Second step, times by 2. And we get x equals 14. Question 8. You guys all ahead of me? Yes. Yes. Plus 5. So I have x over 3 equals 6. And then I have to times by 3. So that means x equals 3 6s are 18. So the ones down the bottom do look a little bit different. We haven't seen ones quite like that before. 2x over 5 equals 2. If I go back to my layers, the 2x is together on the top, there on the inside layer, and then I would divide that whole thing by 5. So to do it in the reverse order, I have to get rid of that 5 first. So I need to multiply by 5. Because remember the line means divide, multiply by 5. That leaves 2x, and 2 times 5 is 10. Then the 2x, they're multiplied, so I have to divide by 2. The x is by itself. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Was that a bit unusual? Yep, I'm going to do it again in question 10 because question 10 is very similar. Question 10, we've got the 5x together on the top. And then you're dividing that by 4. That's the second layer. So peeling off that 4, because it's divided, I need to times by 4. Yes, times is the opposite of divide. Then I have got 5x equals 10 times 4 is 40. Because the 5 and the x are next to each other, they're timesed, so I have to do the opposite, which is to divide by 5. So x equals 8. Because 40 divided by 5 makes 8. Okay. Oh, wait, there is more. There's 2 more on the next page, hiding there. All right, there's 2 more. You have a go at question 11. I'll give you a 20-second head start. Question 11. Draw your layers if you need to. Is that 20 seconds? You finished?
Yes.
Oh, good. All right, so we should get times 2 times 2. So you should have 3x equals 24. Had that? Then you want to divide the 3, which means x equals 24 divided by 3 is 8. Did you try question 12 then?
Yeah.
Oh, So good at these. Everyone's going to get 100%.
I got it wrong. Where'd you get 8 from?
24 divided by 3 is... did you have 24?
7 times 3 is 21.
Okay. Got to do times tables. All right, one last go to redeem yourself then. Question 12, we've got 5y together, and that's divided by 6. So the opposite is to times 6. 5y equals 6 times 10 is 60. I don't know, I just changed colour. I like to change colours. Then I'm going to divide by 5. I like to do my working out and my answers in different colours. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. Okay, so this is our last time on two-step equations. Next time we're doing some with brackets, so make sure you've mastered these. Go to your work booklet, please.